Kailan po ay gagala ni Jaron at Fiam? Hindi ko pa po alam kasi medyo busy po ang schedule ng bawat isa sa amin. Pero sana makahanap kami ng same time na free kaming tatlo or more para matuloy kami. Diba? I'm a boss, I do what I want. I don't need a nigga control me. I look at my wrist and say AP watch. I put your nigga in off-white socks. He wanna fuck, bitch, girl, not a thought. I keep it juicy, he coming alive. When he did decide, I be going insane. Scratching his back, I know he feeling pain. Okay, he asked me out like snow day. Eliante is a cold case. Right on that dick like road rage. I can put on the show, I don't need a stage. Fucking with me, he gon' need sage. Don't make me go back to my old ways. Favorite task na ginawa niya sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, if for me it's yung theater task. Yun talaga ang favorite ko. Kasi ang dami nangyari that week. Sobrang hectic, sobrang nakakapagod. Kailangan namin aralin yung sayaw, yung kanta, yung lines, and most especially yung Bisaya lines. Kami mga Tagalog. Kasi, syempre, mahirap for us kasi hindi namin siya language. But, sobrang worth it naman nung nangyari yun kasi at least, diba, panalo kami nung week na yon. And nakakain kami ng karne na susunod na linggo. Watching from Paranaque. Hello po. JM Fion or Jar Fion. Any po. Pero thank you po sa pag-support sa aking mga tropa. Mag-end po ako ng live by 12. 15? Yeah, 12:15. 12:15. Any tips sa paglalaro ng volleyball? Always relax lang ang katawan, huwag manigas. And dapat alamin nyo, ang mga volleyball player matatalino. Alam ko anong gagawin sa bola, alam paano kontrolin yung bola. So, more than the skill itself, kailangan mong isipin kung saan mo dadalhin yung bola para mas mapadali sa kasama mo, kung saan mo aatakihin yung bola para mas mahirapan yung kalaban mo, yung mga ganun. And enjoy lang. Yun ang secret dun, enjoy lang. Huwag masyado ma-pressure na kailangan makapuntos agad o kailangan manalo agad ng isang set or yung laro, tapusin agad. Huwag nyo isipin agad yun. 1 point at a time and enjoy lang. As long as nag-enjoy ka, panalo ka pa rin. Kahit panalo matalo, panalo ka pa rin. Kasi at the end of the day, volleyball is a game. So, imbes na may stress or may pressure, mag-enjoy. Di lang sa mo gusto magpakasal. Grabe naman yun. Masyado pa akong bata. How's life? I'm very blessed at this moment because I met you guys and madaming blessings ang natatanggap ko recently. So,
I know that you gon' get it, you got so much. Don't let nobody tell you that it's over.
Marami akong nababasa na magbo-birthday. So, happy birthday sa inyo pong lahat na magbo-birthday. And sana, natupad yung lahat ng wish nyo ngayong birthday nyo and more birthdays to come. Sana masarap ang handa nyo guys, no? Kahit na simple lang, ang importante ay may handa kayo kahit paano. If wala naman, spend time with your loved ones. May it be your pets, your family. Nauna talaga yung pets no? Porque may pet ako. May it be your family, your friends, your pets. Enjoy the moment. If I had my way,
you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just
wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, know you're the best part.
You're the best part. Best part.
It's the sunrise in those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.
You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert.
You're the time I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh! Wow! Grabe naman yung virtual gift na yun. Thank you so much. Sino yun? Thank you. Grabe yung ganda nun ah. No matter how far, if life is a movie, hey, you're the best part. You're the best part. Oh.
Best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something?
12:02. Soundtrack ng buhay ko. Tuloy pa rin. Patugtog natin. Patugtog natin.
Bitch, I'm taking off, I'm floating out of space.
dahan kumikisig at ngayon papawi na. Nasanay ako sa aking pag-iisa. Ang ganda ng lyrics na yun. Muntik na nasanay ako sa aking pag-iisa. Bakas ng kahapon ko, tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Nagbago man ang hugis ng puso mo, handa na akong hamunin ang aking mundo, pagkat tuloy pa rin. Hinahanap pa ang alaala ng iyong halik. Alam niyo yun, guys? There was this time, share ko lang. There was this time, sometime in pandemic era, na pagka narinig ko yung kantang to, yung tuloy pa rin, naiiyak ako. Kasi syempre, wala urong-sulong yung buhay ko actually. So, nung narinig ko yung lyrics na ito, parang some of the lines hit me hard. So, yeah, I know Yuki Ishikawa po. Idol. Team Japan. Hugis ng puso ko, itutuloy nyo pa? Anong itutuloy nyo? Tatanong nyo ituloy po ba namin? Anong itutuloy nyo? Sige nga, let me know. Oh, I'm nearing 500k followers on IG. Oh, thank you guys. I love you all. Nasanay ako sa aking pag-iisa. Kaya na iwanan na tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Nagbago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Thank you guys. Sana magka-movie na kayo agad. Hindi naman po yan minamadali at hindi rin naman po talagang madaling gumawa ng pelikula. Siyempre mag-isip pa yan ng concept, kung ano yung sa producer and yung writers, kung ano ba yung gusto nilang maging pelikula, and then isipin pa nila sino yung mga artista na gaganap sa mga bawat karakter, and then revision pa yan. So tapos yung financing pa, so mahirap po madaliin yung mga ganyan. Pero dahil tayo ay nag-hope for the best, sang-ayon ako dyan na sana magkapelikula na po kaming lahat. So maraming salamat sa mga nag-wish ng ganun for us, and kayo naman din sa mga ginagawa nyo sa buhay. Sana maging successful po kayo. Hindi man po tayo nagkakausap araw-araw, but I am always remember na I am always rooting for everyone's success and health. Kahit na hindi ko pa kayo personally kilala, I wish for a better world, healthy environment for everyone, happy life. Nagbago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Oh, thank you, Julin. Hand hearts, thank you. Malapit na po magpaalam sa inyo dahil ginagabi na po tayong lahat. Any song requests, everyone? Any song requests? Maybe play po natin the background. Why po volleyball? Kasi dati nung elementary ay mahilig talaga ako sa basketball pero yung basketball team nung elementary ako ay laging talo. So doon ako sa volleyball kasi laging panalo. And alam niyo naman kung gaano competitive sa mga nanood ng PBB dyan. Alam niyo kung gaano ka-competitive. So, dun po ako sa volleyball. Dito tayo sa kanta ni Jaren. Oh, yun pala. Japanese Denim. Sige, try natin. Japanese Denim. Play natin sa background.
I don't stand in line, I don't pay for clothes for that, yeah. But I wait for you. I don't like to drink, I don't like to think for that, oh. But I probably you, oh. I'm bending it over. You're my four-leaf clover. I'm so in love, so in love. There's no one above, above. Forever's a long time, yes. My blue jeans will last me all my life. Oh yes. So should we. I'm spending all yeah this time. Bet you at the shop, someone's getting hot and lonely. I'm in the city on my own.
City on my own.
Never would have thought you'd be the one I gotta hold me. But that's the way it goes.
Hey, thank you guys.
Reaching Nirvana, goodbye sweet Rwanda. I saw was there for me, yeah. I say let it be, let it be. Forever's a long time, yeah. My blue jeans will last me all my life. Oh yes. So should we. I'm spending all
Individual success for everyone. Yay! Thank you.
this time.
Shoutout sa mga taga-Tarlac po.
You don't even know. You don't even know me. I'm hanging from the tree. I'm hanging from the tree.
Gala kayo minsan ni Coletti. Opo, soon pagka nag-match ang aming mga schedule at talagang gagala po kami magkakasama. Hopefully, makasama lahat. If not all, most of us. Most of us, ayun, tapos hindi ako kasama. Pero sana kasama ako. Magala kami soon. Yes po, maglalaro po ako sa UAP for University of the East. Abangan nyo po ang aking paglalaro. Shoutout po sa taga Mexico, Pampanga. Ano ulam mong yaning babe? Di. Ang ulam po ko po ngayong gabi ay madami. Dahil ako po ay umuwi. I ate shrimp, crabs, isaw ng manok, crispy ulo. Sarap. Yan yung mga ulam ko. Grabe, ang dami, diba? 2 beses kasi ako nag-dinner. It's 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Grabe, no? Kailangan ko kasi mag-gain ng weight. Ang payat-payat ko na. Anyways, guys, I have to go. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na sumabaybay dito and sa lahat ng nakinig sa aking munting mensahe para sa ating lahat. Gusto ko rin talaga magpasalamat sa inyo kasi kundi dahil sa inyo talaga ay hindi ko magiging ganito successful ang aming mga ginagawa sa buhay-buhay. Thanks to you guys and I hope to see all of you soon. Keep spreading positivity, spread love, supporting everyone lang. Huwag po tayo mag-aaway, wala pong mag-aaway sa pamilyang to. I love you all. Bye-bye. And basta, next time na. Sige, next time. See you soon. Guess what I'm saying, guess what I'm saying, guess what I'm saying.